Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing safe. This video is just an explanatory video to help you install Zoom on your Apple device, mainly your iPhone or your iPad. Right now I have my iPad in front of me, and so what I'm going to do is you will have either your App Store inside here, or it will be on one of these other pages, so you can just quickly find it. But you're supposed to open this App Store, so you tap, and this is what you'll see on your main screen. So you're not supposed to touch any of this. You go all the way here and you tap the search button, and on the search button you tap this and you type ZOOM. Now you get two options, Zoom or Zoom Cloud Meetings. Either one works. So in this case I'm going to type Zoom Cloud Meetings, and this is the app you want to install, Zoom Cloud Meetings. So I'm going to tap this. I'm going to press this button, this cloud button with the down arrow. So I'm going to tap that. And it should be done installing in just a bit. Okay. So now I'm ready with the Zoom app being installed on my iPad. So I'm going to go back to the home screen, and now I should see, there we go, Zoom is right on my phone, so on my iPad. So I tap Zoom, and now it gives me an option to either sign up, sign in, or join a meeting. For our meetings, if you want to join, simply tap join a meeting and put in the meeting ID, which will be in some sort of a number format. Change your name, so to tap your name, simply tap that and change that to any name you want, and then you simply have to tap join. If there is a password for the meeting, it will be sent to you, and you just have to enter that password as is mentioned in the WhatsApp group or either whichever message is sent to you. And that's it. Once you've tapped that, you can join in and join a meeting. Simple. Okay, so I just finished setting up and entering the meeting ID and my name. So I just finished typing that in. Now I'm going to tap in join, so it takes me to the meeting, and it's very simple. Okay, so now it's asking me for a password. Now I've already preset this password at 1 2 3 4 5. It may be different, but at the end of every meeting, or at the start of every meeting, before that, you will receive a password that's unique to the meeting. So let's tap continue, and there you go, you're in the Zoom meeting. But to listen in on what is going on during the meeting, you need to connect your audio. So to hear others, please join audio. To do that, tap the call using internet audio option. Once that's done, you can listen in on the audio that's taking place at the meeting. And there you go, super simple. During the course of the meeting, if you want to raise your hand, if for example you want to give a comment, then that process is really simple. You simply have to tap the screen, go to more, and tap raise hand. When you raise your hand, it should show that your hand is raised, similar to this blue icon, and so the study conductor can then see your hand. To lower your hand, it's the same process. You tap that and you tap, camera focus. Okay, so to do that, raise, and to lower your hand, it's the same process. Tap more and lower your hand. So there you go, simple process. Oh, by the way, if you want to mute your mic, you simply have to tap the microphone icon on the top. That will mute your microphone throughout the process. And to unmute it, it will be the same thing. You just tap this and tap unmute. Super simple.